Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a creamy, luscious and perfectly sweet homemade sweet yogurt that you can enjoy anytime. This sweet yogurt is a lighter dessert option compared to heavy sweets. Let's get started. First, take half cup of curd and strain the water from it. Always strain the curd properly for a smooth and thick yogurt. In another bowl, add 2 cups of warm water and 1 cup of milk powder. Mix well until smooth. Sweet yogurt, also called Misti Doi, is a traditional favorite in Bengal. Now for the beautiful color and caramel flavor. In a pan, add 1/3 cup sugar with 1 tablespoon water. Cook until the sugar caramelizes and turn golden. Turn off the flame. Gradually add 1 cup of water to the caramelized sugar. Mix well and let the caramel water cool slightly. Caramelized sugar adds a beautiful color and rich flavor to the yogurt. Now add the prepared milk mixture to the caramel water. Mix everything well together. Turn on the heat again and let it boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. You can flavor sweet yogurt with a touch of cardamom or saffron too. Boil until the mixture reduces to about 2 cups. Remove from the heat and let it cool slightly for 5 to 7 minutes. The mixture should be warm, not hot. Take the strained curd and whisk it well in a bowl. Yogurt is packed with probiotics that help in digestion and improve gut health. Slowly add the warm milk mixture into the curd. Make sure the milk mixture is warm, not hot, when mixing with curd to avoid splitting. Mix gently. Using homemade curd ensures no preservatives or artificial thickeners. Pour the mixture into a steel bowl and cover it with foil. Cover the bowl tightly with foil to prevent any water from getting into the yogurt. Place the bowl into a pan filled with some water. Now cook on the lowest heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Keep the heat very low while setting the yogurt to get a perfect texture. Homemade yogurt sets differently depending on the temperature and season. Once done, let it cool at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 1 hour. And there you have it, your creamy, sweet homemade yogurt ready to enjoy. Did you enjoy this simple way to make delicious homemade sweet yogurt? Would you like to see more traditional dessert recipes next? Tell me in the comments below. Like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more easy and tasty recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another delightful recipe.